Phenomena manifest in both pure and impure forms. Impure phenomena are the mundane experiences in this world. Pure phenomena are when there is no dualistic clinging. After becoming accustomed to the indivisible, unconfined and undeluded state of dharmakaya, all phenomena appear without any self-nature. Confused thinking fools us and prevents us from pure perception. Impure phenomena are thus the manifestation of our own deluded thinking. Impure phenomena, the unaware ways of perception, are the same as dream phenomena. Once we wake up from the delusion of sleep, they disappear. The moment of recognizing mind essence is the instant at impure experience. The habit of fixating on all things as solid reality disperses into basic space.